The shape of the new JL roll cage makes it a challenge to mount any sort of rear-facing lights, speakers, or accessories. The Motor City Aftermarket roll cage speaker light mount provides a clean, simple mounting solution for all of your accessory needs. The installation process does require the existing holes in your roll cage to be tapped. With a little patience and the right tools, which we provide, you'll be on your way. The first thing you want to do is remove the top of your Jeep, whether it's a hard or soft top. Lubricate the tap with a generous amount of WD-40. Next, insert the tap, which we include, into a T-style hand tap tool. Insert the tap, making sure that the tap itself is perpendicular to the roll cage bar. The tap must go straight into the hole. Next, begin to turn the tap clockwise into the hole. Be sure to keep the tap perpendicular to the roll cage as you slowly turn the tap into the hole. Keep turning the tap until you're about 1.5 inches deep into the hole. Slowly back the tap out of the hole. Next, carefully blow, do not wipe, the metal shavings from the area. It may be necessary to turn the tap back into the hole to make sure the threads are clear. Once the threads are clear and the shavings have been blown out of the way, pre-fit the mounting bolt into the newly tapped hole. The bolt should fit without issue. If you do run into resistance, you can always reinsert and then turn the tap back into the hole to clear any rough spots. Once the mounting bolts have been pre-fitted, you're clear to mount the bar. In order for the soft top to clear the mounting bar, be sure to mount the bar so that the center section is closest to the rear of the vehicle. Be sure to use a washer on both sides of the mounting bar. Finally, fully tighten both bolts and you're off and running.